You know what's so fucking crazy? I was having this conversation the other day with one of my cousins, and I bet you that the technology fucking exists. Yes. I know you're probably like, bro, you're bugging, or you agree with me. But I shit you not, bet the technology exists to regenerate body cells. Let's say, for example, oh, fuck me. And I'm not a scientist, because I know how you girls like to tussle. But listen, is it possible? You see how the same way how a sperm and egg creates, the person or whatever? Would it be possible if you could use either stem cells or like possibly like the egg or something, whatever, they could figure that part out. I don't know. But yeah, something like that, some sort of concoction of cells, and like to regenerate specific parts of the body. That has to exist. I remember I have family history of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, and I remember reading this one study that was like talking about stem cells in relation to Parkinson's. I think this is with no prior research or knowledge, just off the top of my head. I think it's possible. I don't see why not. And if you think about it ethically, you're not really creating a life. You're creating organs. So let's say, for instance, something happens to someone, like you get into a really bad car accident and you lose your whole leg. Maybe if you had your stem cells, or maybe if your parents could do some sort of concoction with that, inside of them with, the help of doctors, you could recreate that body part and it would regenerate on its own and then grow, like some sort of like 3D printing scheme, whatever, or it matures on its own. I don't fucking know. You know, it could be figured out on its own. But that's like essentially the main idea of it. And it's not like a life. It's like an organ. Like it's something that you're regenerating, a part of you. And you're not playing God because you're not like, I mean, kind of, but that's what doctors do anyways. So is it really a dilemma, an ethical dilemma, if you really think about it? I don't know, but thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Now, I'm gonna lie to you, this is really complicated when you start getting into talking about parts like the heart and stuff like that, or the brain. It's ethical problems. I don't know.